wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if I'm being completely honest, I really just want to tell y'all about a new concealer that I tried out that I've been loving, but that wouldn't take up much time now, would it? So I figured why not do a video telling you guys about things in general that I've been loving that you can get from the drugstore, so we know that they are affordable. So if you guys want to see that, then let's go. I mean, an oldie but a goodie, and I haven't used it in a minute. So this is the NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Cocoa. I'm gonna use that as foundation. I mean, it's quite literally been two years that I've been talking, 2 or 3 years that I've been talking about this. Now, if you haven't tried it, I just assume that we have beef at this point. So let me just go ahead and apply my foundation. Now for the concealer I was talking about. So I received a package in the mail from Revlon. Mind you, I'm shocked that it's from Revlon. Months ago. I finally got around to opening it because I was trying to situate PR packages and whatnot. So I was like, I usually don't even like concealers like this, but I don't know, it's drugstore, it's there. I felt like trying something new that day, so let me go ahead and try it. This is their ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 concealer in the shade 070. And they actually have like quite a decent amount of shades, once again, for Revlon and for the drugstore and for it being a concealer, but I believe it's also a concealer that you can use to contour because there is a contour shade. You know, you can contour, you can correct by using a shade that's actually your skin tone, and you can brighten by using lighter shades. So I've been using this, and even though I don't like when they have applicators like this just goes on like so smoothly. Like I feel like sometimes you can put a concealer on and you see that like it's going to blend out seamlessly. Like it just looks like butter when you're like smoothing it out that way. And of course I've worn this already, so like it wears well throughout the day. Listen, this has been a go-to lately. See, this is the one thing I don't like about it though. It's the squeezing it out, and it's like, what if I squeeze out too much? Okay. Like, it just blends in so easily. Like, so this is the Thread Beauty face complexion stick. This is in the shade 210. I'm going to use this for contour. I can always rely on I can usually rely on black-owned brands to make shades when it comes to bronzers and contours that I can actually use. And then I did a video on this not long ago. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer in 500. I was talking to Drea and I was like, have you tried this yet? And she was like, no, because I already used the powder. I guess they have like a powdery version of this, and it's pretty much the same thing. So I feel like if you also know what she's talking about, then you wouldn't need this. But if you don't, you know, it's a nice bronzer to use. So the other day I was in Ulta and I was going through the NYX aisle and I thought they were having buy two get one free. So I got their butter glosses, which I've tried before, but I don't know, maybe I just didn't really care for the shades that I tried. I don't know. But I got this shade Caramels and then this shade Eclair, and I got a lip liner. This is from the Line Loud lip pencil and it's in the shade Rebel Kind. And it's been a go-to ever since then. I don't know, I like how it feels. It's like, well, butter gloss. It's nice and buttery, and then the color combination, because y'all know I'm not going to use just one lip product, so. Oh, I think I might have just blocked all of that I just did. My bad. So, caramel first. Also smells like caramel. Oh, and then the pink shade on top. And then for eyeliner, I got this in a PR package from ColourPop. It's their Level Up Lengthening Mascara. And it's been my go-to mascara ever since because it's actually a mascara that gives me length. Like, it looks like I have bottom lashes. It's just, look at that, hold on. Like the one eye compared to the one eye that doesn't have anything. Listen. And the last thing that you absolutely need from the drugstore are the lashes that I wear in every single video. Quite literally, anytime that I'm wearing makeup, I'm wearing lashes. That is what I'm wearing. They are the Ardell Remy lashes in 778. Drea put me onto them and then I was talking about them in a vlog, something like that, and I guess Ardell saw it and they stocked me up. So quite literally, they're the only things that you guys are going to see. I just love how they look on. I like how they look with my eye shape, all that other stuff. So yeah, that is it. Those are things that I've been loving from the drugstore lately. Again, like I said, more specifically, this was for the concealer, but I also realized I really like that mascara. Like, hello, again, my bottom lashes, and the glosses, the lip liner. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything I need to check out from the drugstore. I haven't really seen like launches lately that I, should do videos on or I could do, but I can't see everything. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.